Welcome. If you're looking to take control over your Pinterest experience and want to disable the filter comments feature on others' pins, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn off filtered comments on others' pins using the latest Pinterest update on your PC. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the necessary settings. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can customize various aspects of your Pinterest experience. Inside the settings menu, you'll notice several tabs and categories. What you want to do next is find and select social permissions. This section is where Pinterest lets you control how you interact with other users and how others interact with you on the platform. Now, scroll down until you find the option labeled Filter Comments on Others' Pins. By default, this setting might be enabled, which means Pinterest is automatically filtering out comments it thinks are inappropriate or spammy when you view other people's pins. To disable this feature, simply click the toggle switch next to Filter Comments on Others' Pins. The switch should turn off, indicating that the filter is now disabled. This means you'll see all comments on others' pins, unfiltered, just as they were posted. Before you leave the page, don't forget to click Save at the bottom. This ensures your changes are applied and your preferences are updated. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the filter comments feature on others' pins on Pinterest using your PC. Now, you can view all comments as they appear, giving you a more complete Pinterest experience. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other Pinterest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.